Hi, I'm Eric Anderson, a Senior Technology Transfer Officer with the Missouri University of Science and Technology, to talk to you about an opportunity for the Technology Acceleration Program. Now, you all should have received an email directly from the Office of Sponsored Programs announcing this possibility of award. The terms are that it should be a previously disclosed technology to the university, and the award amount is up to $20,000. The proposals need to be submitted to the Technology Transfer Office by April 1, 2011, and the project should be completed by May 1 of 2012. Now, this funding is to bridge the commercialization gap. In other words, to fund the building of a prototype, for example, or to come up with industry standard numbers to present to commercial potential partners. Now, we actually have a discussion for you up next with one of the past awardees from last year, Dr. Kelly Homan.
Hi, I'm Kelly Homan, a faculty member in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and I was fortunate to be awarded a Technology Acceleration Program Award last year, and this was very beneficial. We had a technology that had gone through the proof of concept stage, but really needed to take it to a next level in terms of developing a prototype that looked a lot more commercially viable. And in addition, the potential industrial partners that we had spoken with were looking for additional data that we had not collected in the initial work. And so this award was an opportunity to really refine the prototype as well as collect additional data. And so we're looking forward to then taking that to those potential industrial partners that we had conversations with in the past. The opportunity it provided was really key because we had done an initial kind of, you might say, proof of concept, but in bringing, it was related to water heating technology, but it didn't look anything like what you'd find in the shelf at Lowe's or something like that. So when we went to talk with industrial partners or potential industrial partners, I think what we were showing them pictures of that we had done experiments with in the lab was just too far removed from anything they put on the shelf, that it was just too big of a jump for them to see how what we were working with there would translate into something that they could deal with or that they could think about putting into production or considering for production.
How have you been able to, or how will you be able to utilize students in the research?
They've been instrumental, and actually I will have involved 3 undergraduate students and a graduate student.
Great.
And so the undergraduate students have really been good. Part of the work to be done was turning what was the concept, and we kind of cobbled together, not worrying about making necessarily the assembly as simple as possible. The point was to prove that it worked as we anticipated.
Okay. Well, I hope this encourages everyone out there to apply for the Technology Acceleration Program. Again, it's a return to the university of those licensing revenues, and it helps us bridge that commercialization gap. And you've heard from Dr. Homan how it's being used. If you have any questions, you can come in and talk to us, and or you might even be able to talk to Dr. Homan.
Of course. Mm-hmm.
And I thank you very much.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Thank you.